Hey guys! If you're looking for something new to do for Diwali, you've come to the right place. So on this Diwali, we'll be making something innovative and recycling at the same time. Today we'll be making DIY no oil wax candle lamp using only recycled candles. For this project, we'll be needing Diwali lamps or diyas, some used candles. We have to melt these candles, so take the help of an adult if you need. Now it's time to start. Take a few Diwali lamps or diyas. They can be of any material, clay, metal, or any other material you desire to use. Clean the lamps thoroughly before we start. Place a utensil that will distribute heat evenly on the stove. Place a glass bowl on top of it. Break your used candle such that the candle wick is not damaged and only the wax is being removed. If you seem to have trouble breaking the candle without harming the wick, twist the candle till the wax comes off and pull it out of the wick. After you break the candle wax, save the wick for later. We will be needing this to proceed with our DIY. Like you can see, I have moved all my candle wax into one single bowl to speed up the process. Keep it on low heat till the wax melts completely. Do not increase the heat. I am fast forwarding the next few clips, but patiently wait for the candle to melt. Do not increase the heat. Once all of the candle wax is nicely melted, now it's time to pour it into our lamps. Use oven mitts to pick up the hot glass bowl. Take the wick of the candle that we have already used. Use a toothpick or a pencil or any other sturdy material and wrap the wick around it. Make sure that the length of the wick you are inserting inside the lamp is almost twice the height of the lamp. This way, the wick will not fall off as the candle wax melts. Pour the warm candle wax into the lamp. Wait for the candle wax to cool down. I seem to have lost the footage of trimming the wick, but all you need to do is, after the candle cools down, remove the toothpick and trim off the wick, leaving 1 centimeter of visible wick above the candle wax. It should look something like this. Another way to melt the candle wax is by pouring water into the utensil first and then placing our glass bowl with candle wax in it. This way, when the water warms up, the candle wax also melts. This is a safer way to melt candle wax. I'll be using a small piece of a wax crayon. The crayon will melt into the candle wax and it'll become uniform. I wasn't satisfied with the orange, so I added a small piece of red as well. And this is my final product. As the wax was warm and changed color, I added a few drops of lavender essential oil as well. Be careful while adding essential oils because some of them can be inflammable, so do it with care. This is the final product. It looks beautiful and it smells amazing. Let's light up all our lamp candles and see how they look. It not only burns a lot longer, it doesn't need oil change, and this has been made from all recycled materials. And let's not forget, the red one simply smells amazing. If you plan to try it this Diwali, let me know how it works out. But before that, if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. That would mean a lot to me. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here are a few of my other videos. If you're interested in making gorgeous water candles that'll make everybody's jaws drop, here's a video on how to make it. I wish every one of you a very happy Diwali. I'll see you soon. Until then, signing off, Lightning Girl. Bye.